Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore 3 words that sound similar but mean completely different things: beside, behind, and beyond.
These 3 words are all about position and location.
Many learners mix them up because they sound alike.
But don't worry, we'll make each one crystal clear.
By the end of this episode, you'll never confuse them again.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
All 3 are prepositions that show where something is.
They describe position or location.
But each one describes a different position.
Beside means next to something, at the side.
Behind means at the back of something, not in front.
Beyond means past something or further than something.
3 different positions.
Let's explore each one separately.
Let's start with beside.
What does beside mean?
Beside means next to or at the side of something.
It shows something is right next to something else, side by side.
Think of 2 people sitting next to each other. They're beside each other.
Beside shows closeness and being at the side.
Examples.
The chair is beside the table, next to the table, at the side.
Please sit beside me, next to me, at my side.
The lamp is beside the bed, next to the bed.
The park is beside the school, right next to the school.
All showing something at the side of something else.
Beside can mean left side or right side.
It doesn't matter which side, just at the side, next to.
He stood beside her, at her side, next to her.
Beside shows immediate closeness.
Important note: beside can also mean compared to in some contexts.
My problems are small beside yours, compared to yours.
That's beside the point, not relevant to the main topic.
But the main meaning is next to.
Now let's talk about behind.
What does behind mean?
Behind means at the back of something, the opposite of in front.
It shows something is after or at the rear of something else.
Think of a line of people. The person at the back is behind.
Behind shows position at the back or rear.
Examples. The car is parked behind the building, at the back of the building.
I'm standing behind you, at your back, not in front.
The garden is behind the house, at the rear of the house.
She's hiding behind the door, at the back of the door, not visible from front.
All showing position at the back.
Behind can also mean not as advanced or late.
I'm behind in my work, not caught up, late.
Our team is behind by 3 points, losing, not ahead.
The project is behind schedule, late, not on time.
These are common uses.
Now let's talk about beyond.
What does beyond mean?
Beyond means past something or further than something.
It shows something is on the other side or farther away.
Think of a fence. What's beyond the fence is on the far side.
Beyond shows distance past a point.
Examples. The mountains are beyond the city, past the city, farther away.
Look beyond the trees, past the trees, to the distance.
The store is beyond the bridge, after crossing the bridge, farther.
What lies beyond the ocean, on the other side, far away?
All showing position past or farther than something.
Beyond can also mean more than or exceeding.
It's beyond my understanding, more than I can understand.
The cost is beyond our budget, more than we can afford.
Her talent is beyond belief, exceeding what can be believed.
Very common figurative use.
Now, let's compare all three.
This is the best way to understand.
Imagine a simple scene. You, a tree, and a house.
I'm standing beside the tree, next to the tree, at its side.
The house is behind the tree. The tree is in front, house is at the back.
The mountains are beyond the house, past the house, farther in the distance.
Three completely different positions.
Another visualization. Think of three people in a line facing the same direction.
Person A is in the middle.
Person B stands beside person A, next to, at the side.
Person C stands behind person A, at the back, not in front.
The wall is beyond all of them, past them, farther away.
Each word describes a unique position.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, where should I park?
You can park beside my car, the blue one.
The blue car beside the building?
Yes, or you can park behind the building if those spots are full.
What's beyond the building? Is there more parking?
Yes, beyond the building, there's a big parking lot.
Great. And where's the entrance?
The entrance is beside the main door. You can't miss it.
Is there a garden behind the office?
Yes, there's a beautiful garden behind the main office. Beyond that garden, there's a park.
Perfect. I'll park beside your car then.
Did you notice all three words?
Beside my car, next to the car, at its side.
Beside the building, next to the building.
Behind the building, at the back of the building.
Beyond the building, past the building, farther.
Beside the main door, next to the door.
Behind the main office, at the back of the office.
Beyond that garden, past the garden, even farther.
All three positions clearly different.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using beside when you mean behind.
Wrong. The garage is beside the house, if you mean at the back.
Correct. The garage is behind the house, or the garage is beside the house. Depends on actual position.
Think about the real position.
Mistake 2. Using behind when you mean beyond.
Wrong. The lake is behind the forest, if the forest is not blocking the view.
Correct. The lake is beyond the forest, past the forest, farther.
Behind means at the back, beyond means past it.
Mistake 3. Using beyond when you mean beside.
Wrong. Sit beyond me. This doesn't make sense for sitting.
Correct. Sit beside me, next to me.
Beyond is for farther distance, not immediate closeness.
Mistake 4. Spelling confusion.
Beside, one word. Behind, one word. Beyond, one word.
Not beside or behind or beyond.
All one word each.
How to choose correctly.
Decision 1. Is it right next to, at the side?
If yes, use beside.
Decision 2. Is it at the back, not in front?
If yes, use behind.
Decision 3. Is it past something, farther in the distance?
If yes, use beyond.
Simple decision tree.
More practice examples.
Fill in the blank. Which word fits?
The cafe is blank the bookstore. Next to it, to beside.
The parking lot is blank the mall. At the back, to behind.
The mountains are blank the clouds. Past the clouds, farther, to beyond.
Please stand blank me. Next to me, to beside.
The answer is blank me. More than I know, to beyond.
We're blank schedule. Late, not caught up, to behind.
Getting easier?
Real life situations.
Giving directions.
The bank is beside the post office. Next to it, at the side.
Park behind the restaurant. At the back.
Drive beyond the traffic light and turn left, past the light.
Describing your room.
My desk is beside the window, next to window.
The closet is behind the door, at the back of the door.
You can see the ocean beyond the balcony, past the balcony, in the distance.
At the office.
Her desk is beside mine, next to mine.
The printer is behind the partition, at the back.
The conference room is beyond the elevators, past the elevators.
Every location uses these.
Understanding besides with an S.
Wait, besides with an S is different from beside.
Besides with an S means in addition to or also.
Besides English, I speak Spanish, in addition to English.
Who's coming besides you, in addition to you?
It's not about physical position.
Beside, no S equals next to, position.
Besides with an S equals in addition to, meaning.
Don't confuse them.
Figurative meanings.
Beside figurative, beside yourself equals extremely emotional.
She was beside herself with joy, so joyful she couldn't control it.
Behind figurative, the reason behind it equals the cause.
What's the story behind this decision? The reason, the cause.
Beyond figurative, beyond repair equals cannot be fixed.
The car is beyond repair, too damaged to fix.
Beyond doubt equals certain.
It's beyond doubt that he's talented, absolutely certain.
Many figurative uses.
Common expressions.
With beside the point equals irrelevant, beside myself equals very emotional.
With behind the scenes, not visible to public, behind the times, old-fashioned.
With beyond me equals I can't understand, beyond words equals indescribable.
Learn these phrases.
Opposite words to understand position better.
Opposite of beside equals far from or away from.
Opposite of behind is in front of or ahead of.
Opposite of beyond is before or this side of.
Understanding opposites helps.
Using all three in one sentence.
I sat beside my friend, who sat behind the teacher, and we could see the mountains beyond the window.
3 different positions in one sentence.
Beside my friend, next to, behind the teacher, at the back, beyond the window, past it, in distance.
All working together.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Describe your room using beside. What's next to what?
Day 2. Describe what's behind things in your house.
Day 3. Look out your window. What's beyond what you see?
Day 4. Write sentences using all 3 words.
Day 5. Notice these words when reading or watching English.
Day 6. Practice giving directions using all 3.
Day 7. Draw a simple map and label things using these words.
By week's end, you'll master them.
More real-world examples.
At the park.
The bench is beside the fountain. The playground is behind the community center. The lake is beyond the trees.
At the airport.
Gate 12 is beside Gate 11. The restrooms are behind the waiting area. International flights depart from the terminal beyond this one.
In nature.
Walk beside the river. The cave is behind the waterfall. The valley is beyond those mountains.
Understanding with movement.
Beside is static. Things stay next to each other.
Behind can be static or show following. Walk behind me.
Beyond often implies crossing or passing. Go beyond the limit.
Different implications.
Building complete mastery.
In a classroom. Sit beside your partner.
The teacher's desk is behind the board. Beyond this course, there are advanced classes.
In a store, the bakery is beside the deli. Employee area is behind the door. Beyond this aisle, frozen section.
On a trail, walk beside the stream. The campsite is behind those rocks. Beyond that ridge, there's a valley.
Physical practice helps.
Stand beside a table, at the side. Stand behind it, at the back. Beyond means past it, farther.
Describing spatial relationships.
Beside is parallel, side by side. Behind is front to back, one after other. Beyond is near to far, distance.
More figurative uses.
Beside, beside the point, beside yourself.
Behind. Put it behind you. Get behind this. What's behind this?
Beyond, beyond amazing, beyond me, beyond doubt. Think beyond.
Rich meanings.
Comparison with similar words.
Beside, about, next to. Beside is slightly more formal.
Behind, about, in back of. Behind is more common.
Beyond, about, past. Beyond suggests greater distance.
Time expressions.
Behind works with time. Behind schedule. Beyond to. Beyond midnight.
Beside doesn't work with time.
Practice converting sentences.
The chair is next to the desk. The chair is beside the desk. Same meaning.
The shed is at the back of the garden. The shed is behind the garden. Same.
The city is past the mountains. The city is beyond the mountains. Same.
Understanding helps usage.
Creating vivid descriptions.
Use all three for rich detail. I sat beside the window, behind the curtain, looking at the ocean beyond.
3 positions in one view.
The cafe beside the park, behind the library, with mountains beyond.
Layered description.
Memory tricks.
Beside has side, at the side. Behind has hind, at the back. Beyond is be yonder, farther away.
Quick review. Beside means next to, at the side of something.
Behind means at the back of something, opposite of in front.
Beyond means past something, farther than something.
Beside shows immediate closeness.
Behind shows position at the rear.
Beyond shows greater distance.
Each word describes a unique position.
Besides, with S, means in addition to, different meaning.
All three have figurative meanings too.
Think about actual physical position first.
You now understand all three clearly.
These words help you describe locations precisely.
Don't be afraid to use them.
The key is simple. Beside equals next to. Behind equals at back. Beyond equals past or farther.
With practice, it becomes automatic.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. What's beside you right now?
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.